Morning everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make breakfast and we are gonna start off with chocolate tea. Now we got the chocolate bean here, we got some spice here, allspice which is pimento, we got a nutmeg, we got some cinnamon, and we got some cloves. We got a mortar here, and this is the vanilla. And right here we got our ackee, which we harvested in Jamaica last time. We got the video for that one, you can check the video out. And we got a breadfruit which we harvest as well and roasted and bring it back. And we got some saltfish here. We're gonna roast our chocolate beans now. It's pre-roast, but we're just gonna roast it a little bit to release the oil. We're gonna put the beans inside, pimento, the clove, do our saltfish here. We are soaking it from last night. Yeah, I think it's ready now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it in the mortar and then we pound it for it to grind. So we're gonna just pound it. Just want it to pound down into a powder, and then we're gonna turn to like a paste when the oil start release. When it's finished, we get back to you. So this is it. So this is how you make your chocolate. Just come together, and now we're ready to make the tea. And now we are going to put the chocolate inside the water, the boiling water, which is and this is how we make our chocolate tea, traditional style. We have vanilla, okay, and we're gonna get our cinnamon. Saltfish is going on. I change the water, so I need to boil more. And we get our cinnamon here. Yep. Okay, we're gonna get our nutmeg, and I'll pick these nutmeg. I forgot about the coconut milk, but I'm gonna put it inside of it and let it boil, so it can go inside and boil. Not much, just need a flavor. That will do. I'll just put the nutmeg in it as well. It's great, eh? So we're gonna just stir it and let it boil, let the coconut milk boil out, and all the flavors getting boiled and work its way. And our saltfish boiling properly. So let's go. Looking good. I'm just gonna sweeten this with some condensed milk, and then good to go. Let us just let the coconut milk boil more. Now we're gonna put the ackee inside. This is pre-cooked already. We're just gonna put some holes inside that the water go inside, the hot water go inside of it. Like that. And you can see these ackees are looking very good. So now put it in here. Let it stay like that. The tea is ready, and that's it. This is our condensed milk. So we're gonna just pour condensed milk inside of it. I think condensed milk is better. Not too sweet. So this is our chocolate, made from scratch, and the tea is ready. Solid fish is cooked and our ackee is okay. I'm gonna try and prepare the breadfruit and the seasoning. This is what we need for our seasoning: garlic, spring onion, bell pepper, onion, and a pepper, hot pepper. hot pepper. Just burst it like that. Garlic. So garlic, we just nice to have plenty of garlic in it. Remove all these things. Throw them away. Bones. Remove the bones as well. So, bones and skin. I'm gonna seal the seasoning. Not too small. So, break our saltfish like that. Our saltfish and put it inside of it like that. Just gonna get our saltfish and put it inside. Okay. And pour it in like that. Okay, so this is it. We're gonna put it down for a while. Okay, we're gonna add our black pepper now. This is the black pepper we're adding. Well, let me mash it up. And I think that's it. So we're gonna slice our breadfruit up like that because we're gonna fry it. Move this because it's all finished. And now I'm gonna add the breadfruit. So I'm just gonna just fry them. Like golden. Yep. Now we're gonna remove our breadfruit. We're gonna share our ackee and saltfish. So there you go. Nice. Hot chocolate tea. Okay. Here you go. Ackee and saltfish with roast breadfruit and chocolate tea. Let's have a taste. Yep. Everything. Yep. This is your breakfast. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.